Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change avatar in Crunchyroll. Well, it's pretty fun to have your own custom profile picture or choose from the ones that are already provided by Crunchyroll. Now let's get started. The first step is launching your browser, and in the new tab just enter crunchyroll.com, and if you click on enter, you will have a page something like this. Alright, and if you have not logged into your account already, just click on this avatar icon at this side of the page, and if you click on it, you will have option of login, and just go ahead and log in with your credentials. So once you're logged in and inside Crunchyroll, in order to change avatar, there's just one thing you need to do. Click on this avatar again. Now there is a pencil icon to edit your profile. So let's select it. So there is pencil icon at the bottom right corner of this picture. Select it. So here we have tons of options from our animes to choose as avatars. Let's go ahead with my dress up darling, this one, and save. It's already there. Now if you click on save again, let's see if it has been updated or not. Let's close this. There you are. If you want to have your custom profile picture, you need an additional extension for your Chrome browser if you're using Chrome, and then search for my picture for Crunchyroll custom profile, and once you've added the extension, go to the extension like so, click on it, and it will open a page of Crunchyroll or this pop-up, and there is your username. Now upload your picture. If I want to say I want this to be my profile picture, open it. I guess that's it. Now let's go ahead and check. Yeah, for sure, the profile picture has taken effect. Now you know how to change avatar of Crunchyroll, whether it's one among those provided by Crunchyroll or your custom using an external extension of Chrome. You have your preferred avatar. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding changing avatar in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.